Hi, this is Steve Lang from Schmersal, and I'm here to show you light curtain alignment 101 with our SLC 440. The first method used to light curtain alignment is using a tape measure to ensure that the emitter and receiver are square. You're going to measure in an X pattern. And measurement A and measurement B require being the exact same measurement. After you have these two at the same measurement, you're going to then sweep the emitter and the receiver until you receive a green indicating light on the top of the SLC 440. The second method used for light curtain alignment is using a laser alignment tool. We use the E85 laser alignment tool. You will measure all four corners, ensuring that the emitter hits the receiver and the receiver hits the emitter. Once all four corners are completed, you will then have perfect alignment. The last method for light curtain alignment is specific to the SLC 440 and SLC 440 COM. The SLC 440 has a 7-segment display that, when put in diagnostic mode, will display vertical or horizontal lines to ensure that your alignment is correct. The SLC 440 COM, when you first power the unit on, there's a blue LED on the receiver's top cap. It will flash slowly, and as you get closer to alignment, it will flash more rapid, eventually ending in a solid blue when it's aligned perfectly. The second part of this is also available on both of these light curtains, as we have a brand new Bluetooth app, SLC Assist. You can go on to your smart device and view the beam signal beam for beam, getting you perfect alignment again.